Hello everyone, welcome back to another session of Verilog coding with me. So let's get started. So today we will be seeing about 2-bit equality. So let's see what it is. So here is our problem statement. Create a circuit that has 2-bit inputs A and B and produces an output Z. The value of Z should be 1 if A equal to B, otherwise Z should be 0. So first, so there are basically two methods how we can write this code. So first we will try with a regular method, that is using an if loop. So whenever we want to use if statement, we have to always declare always block, always at star begin, and after that we have to write if capital A equal to B, where there the condition is here A should be equal to B. So we have to write A equal to B, begin, then Z will be equal to 1, and else, otherwise it should be 0. Here it will written, otherwise Z should be 0. So we will write Z equal to 0. We will end this and we will end the whole always loop. So let's submit the code. So as you can see, compile. Oh, else. Okay. Here I have forgot to write the begin. So let's submit the code. Compilation process being started. So as you can see, the status is success. So this is our like traditional way of writing the code, but this whole thing can be written in just a single line using a ternary operator. So what is a ternary operator? So basically it is just a question mark. So I will show you how you can write this whole code in a single line. So there is no need of always and if. That is, we have to write just Z equal to, in bracket we have to write condition A equal to B, and we have to write the question mark. This is known as a ternary operator. So if this is true, then our output should be 1, or else it should be 0. So now let's submit the code. So as you can see, compilation process started. Expecting error Verilog module 2. Oh, we have forget to write assign. As it is a combinational, we have to write it assign, continuous assignment. So let's submit it. So as you can see, the status is success. You can ignore this warning as we have got the status is success. So this is how you can write the code in two types, like one is a traditional type and one is a shortcut type. So that's all for today's video. In the next we will be seeing about simple circuit A and B. So let's see the solution. So here it is the solution.